Keep your clothes fresh and sanitized with the Samsung AirDresser. The Samsung AirDresser is a smart closet that cleans and refreshes your clothes with air and steam. It eliminates 99% of odors and bacteria, relaxes wrinkles, and reduces drying time. Pros: control with Wi-Fi. The Samsung AirDresser has a Wi-Fi connectivity feature that allows you to control it with your smartphone via the SmartThings app. Easy installation. The Samsung AirDresser is easy to set up and use. You just need to plug it into a standard 120V outlet and fill the water reservoir with filtered water. Cons: noise. Some customers have complained that the Samsung AirDresser is noisy when it operates. Pricey. The Samsung AirDresser is not a cheap product. It costs around $1,099 on average, which is quite expensive for a closet. Key features: air hangers. These are special hangers that release air and steam throughout your clothing to refresh and relax them. They can also remove dust and odors from your fabrics. Odor elimination technology. This is a technology that eliminates 99% of common odors in fabrics caused by smoke, perspiration, food, etc. The Samsung AirDresser is a smart and innovative product that can refresh and sanitize your clothes with air and steam. It can offer you many benefits in terms of clothing care and convenience. However, it also has some drawbacks in terms of noise, capacity, and price.